making a spectacle of yourself. Hello, my sniffers. My name is Marlene McCohen. This is Jenna and Jersey and Harry and Vinny's in. Set up what table? Vinny's really excited. We are doing our show today. Bird Mart was canceled, but when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. Okay? Here's the situation. Basically, we're late, old news, but I swear this time it was supposed to be different. I don't know what happened. I even paid for an extra hour earlier. The lady said we could have half an hour set up. George was already gone, but when he got there, they said that he can't set up until 10. It's like, but why would you send an invite out to people at 10 and not have a setup time? So I don't know if they know what's going on. Mercury's in retrograde. When you see Jersey's outfit, you're gonna know how retrograde Mercury is. It's okay, it's beautiful. We aren't telling her though about it. She thinks she looks fantastic because when we put on a new outfit, she jumps up and down and she gets excited. By the way, guys, we don't usually encourage driving with your bird on your shoulder, but Jersey gets very car sick and we have to have her like this right now. Guys, just hide me. There's literally people there and we're just arriving and there's people sitting outside and I'm afraid to look out of sheer embarrassment. Guys, I'm so nervous. There's people lined up outside. I can't. Vinny's talking about stuff. Hi.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
We're a mess. You guys are such morning people. You had to have known we'd be late, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I was like, oh my god.
Oh,
okay.
thank you.
Wow, it looks cute in here. Hey guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our place here. You know,
Oh my god, hi, I'm Marlene.
it's time to set up, you know.
Okay. Who's ready to be on camera? Oh yeah! Who's down for some red carpet pics? Yeah, okay, let's do it. I'm lonely over here. All right, say your name to the camera.
I'm Avery.
Avery! I love that name. It's so beautiful. Oh, I should get my phone so we could do some selfies that I could put on Instagram, right? Okay, hold on. Tell me your name. What?
Paisley Grace Thigh.
Paisley Grace Thigh. Are you happy there?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Leo. I'm good moving.
That's it. That's your boyfriend now. Now, if she wasn't here, then you guys would be the next favorite. Guys, look what we have today. Snacks for everybody. Courtesy of Kiefer. Jersey has a new boyfriend. Oh, and look at her J. Don't tell her that the J is messed up. She says, hey, did you hear her? She's like, hey. Guys, this is so amazing. My own little pop-up shop. How cool is this? Oh my God. Oh my God.
He's like, I want to go for a walk.
He's like, I'm done here. Let's do one for me.
Thank you.
Oh, look at Jersey.
My granddaughter lives in, you probably already
Yeah, I
know
just
this.
met her.
So she said,
Yeah.
I want to go see her.
Yeah, we're having fun. I think that's your husband. It was
Yes,
running
and
around.
my other daughter.
Yeah, was sniffing all the birds. Yeah, that's my kind of man right there.
It's great.
Joey will let me have a little one like this.
Oh,
Look how well she did with it.
yeah, I think she loved it to death. I think she was just
you
like,
know,
no
that's
choice.
you did really well
Yeah,
with that.
and she is like that with her budgies. Oh! That's it. You're not going home with this bird. She turned a lovebird into a regular, as if she has a cockatoo.
He's my first lovebird too.
Oh,
Hi.
give me a hug. Tell the camera your name.
Bella.
Oh, Bella, what a beautiful name. Do you know I have a goddaughter named Bella? Yeah. You have four? No way!
She loves me. I think she's a little excited right now. She's like making those
I want to
sounds.
bring
You know, like,
Vinny out, but I'm
like-
scared.
she's breathing hard, right, baby? Are you my new love?
Harrison, you want to be in the picture? Harry, bye, Thor.
Bye, Thor.
Oh my God, guys! Look at this! Look at these shirts! Oh my God, you guys though. You guys, like, hello. Look at how cute you guys see this little one.
Hello, Sippers.
Yay! Guys, I have to film this. Oh my God! Stop! Who drew this so amazing?
my dad.
You have a good dad.
Thank you.
Oh my God, tell your dad. Oh my God, stop.
This is my mom's window.
Honk if you love birds.
This is her,
I think I'm
Kaya.
gonna cry. I'm gonna try not to cry.
This is mine.
Oh my God, I can't. Brat, I want to bring Vinny out. Someone's gonna watch the door. Will you film? Look at Vinny, guys. Ready? You go, Vinny. Come here, Vinny. Let's go upstairs. Ready?
Feel good now, big box now. What you want now? What you want now? More murder, come again. Urban, big up.
Did you like that? You want more? Yay, Vinny! Oh. Oh, he's so tasty. You like that? You want to say hi to everybody?
It smells like ginger snaps.
You smell like ginger snaps? Did you hear what he said about you? He said it makes sense. Where's Jersey?
Go ahead.
Go, girl.
Come on, baby. Gangsta, yeah. Yeah. That's right.
Okay, Vinny. This is very, very embarrassing for me. Okay, are you ready? Oh, baby, baby. He's so excited. Okay. How was I supposed to know that something wasn't right? Yeah. Does anyone know how to beatbox? Isn't he the cutest? Isn't he so much better than Birdmark? Oh, he's so cute. Want a Vinny photo? You got it? Okay, good. You look handsome in that. You're rocking that. Vinny! No, Dad! He's laughing! Do you hear him laughing? Vinny? Vinny? This is quite the predicament. He'll stay up there the whole time. Simone, good job. Yay. Okay. Uh-oh. Vinny? This is not how we act! Okay? You're making a spectacle of yourself. He's too smart, this bird. Let's go. Yeah, you got it. No.
And again.
He's not happy right now. Okay. Okay.
We'll get George.
Okay. A box is coming. Don't be angry. It's okay.
We were gonna stop by and get him one.
Yeah. We have a box.
This is extra
Okay.
thick. It has
Look. It's for you. Did you hear him say for me? Did you hear him?
For you, yes.
It's for
Thank
you.
you. He said thank you. That's right.
No, sir. Look, inside is special. It's special.
He likes that.
He likes this box is for you.
For you.
Yeah.
For you. Go get it. Good job.
Okay. Okay, how about 5 minutes in here? Come here, cutie. I want to get a photo of you too. Yeah. Oh my God! Look at you.
He loves being on camera.
Like
She likes the view.
she loves it up there.
Yeah.
Do you see how we messed up her jeans?
I love it.
You're a straight up celebrity. Before you came, I was like, oh, my friend Kevin's coming back with this bird. And they're like, Ruby? And I'm like, yeah, Ruby's coming. Where's Ruby? Oh, she's doing triangle head. Marley. Hi.
She said you wanted to sniff it.
What's your name?
This is Hannah. Banana. I wouldn't get
Oh
that.
my God, the smell though is
smells
amazing.
amazing.
I can smell from
It
like.
smells like maple syrup.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hi, beautiful.
You want scratches?
Do you want scratches
I
or
don't
are you
know.
tricking me?
Be careful.
I know, they trick you. What's up? I didn't hug you today, did I?
Yeah, you did.
I
when
did?
you first came in.
Oh yeah, when I first came in, that's right. Carl, you lost a butt.
I think I'm gonna lose the other half. I'm worried about him getting.
We don't want him to swallow it.
No, he tried to take my hearing aid,
Yeah,
of
next.
course, and my sunglasses, and
Now
my
you can't hear it, you can't see.
Not on
and
that
my
side.
sticker.
There's a large ferret on you.
Oh, look. Oh, yeah.
He's so
I loved
warm
your
though. He's
video,
warm,
guys. Did you
warm
see
and
that I saw
soft.
your video?
Yes, I did.
Yeah,
Yes, I
love
did.
it. I love it.
He's
It's
very
like, I'm
soft.
just
I
getting
was
close.
wondering, I wonder if Brenda's gonna show up with her shirt, and she did.
Of course I show up with
Yeah,
my shirt.
I love it. All right, guys, we're getting some more photos. Say hi.
Hey, say hi, Hunter.
Oh my God, Hunter, you're so cute. Hunter loves Harry, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Hunter loves Harry. Okay, let's get a photo. Is that your boyfriend?
Leo.
He definitely thinks you're his girlfriend.
Did you see all your shirts? Everybody was wearing your shirt. Look, she's wearing your shirt.
Look how cute.
This is the event of all events.
Can you? You're like a model. Who's this?
His name's Vinny.
This is Vinny, named after Vinny. I don't know why anybody would name a bird Vinny because they're asking for it, but you are putting on quite a sweet look. Oh, I love cockatiels. They're the best, aren't they? There's no bird like a cockatiel.
This is Odette.
Hi! You should get on the red carpet with all those birds. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Did you guys see who came out to visit? Oh yeah, yeah. How old are you?
6.
What? My baby's crying. I can't believe you have a baby. What? You're so young. You're younger than me, huh?
21.
She's the one that called me an African gray.
She told me.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at this gorgeous, oh, he's not liking that. He does not like the camera.
Look at Rocky's here. You love me? You don't love me? You don't love me today? No. Right? Like, come here. What?
Come watch this. Go outside. Come. It's amazing.
That's what. Something's about to happen. She has a free flighted conure. So just know that. Do not ever try this at home. Oh. You're so cute. I didn't get to meet your birdies. Look at how tiny your little beak is, Kiwi. What a tiny little baby. I love cockatoos. No!
What is it? Hold it up, Marla.
Oh my caged, not caged. Oh my God, Picasso. You did this? Yeah. Watercolor? Yeah. Oh, Kiwi loves to watch my videos. I love Kiwi. Kiwi says hi to all the birds. Oh my God. Oh, you have a YouTube channel? Everybody check out Ariel's Adventures on YouTube, right? Oh my God, thank you. Okay, guys, I finally, we're wrapping up and I finally got the golden conures. This is Romeo. Who's this one? This is Odette. Odette. Come get a picture. Let's all get a picture together. Yay! I have to do the picture thing though. Hi, Snippers! Oh my God, look who's here. Vinny is here. Guys, look. How cute are they? Oh my God, they're so cute. Hey guys, you look so cute in the Vinny gang.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you guys for doing this. No, thank you. I'm at the World Press. You have no idea. Listen, I'm gonna tell you guys something. You guys always think that it's exciting for you. Yeah. It's exciting for me to meet you guys. That's the thing. I don't know if anyone will come. It's just so exciting. So I'm gonna keep you. You're gonna come live with me. Is that okay? Oh, she's looking for a home. I'm looking for forever home. Thank you. So awesome being here. We'll come out to the next one too. Of course. Right? Okay, cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's get a photo on this thing. Hold on. Whoa! Oh my God! Amazing. This is like when you go to the street and someone's in Venice and they're like, "Hey, you want me to charge you $5?"
That's a good picture right there.
Proud bird! Yay! It's a macaw picture. What's up, guys? Who's this bird that you have here?
This is Blue.
Blue. You've only had Blue a week, right?
2 weeks.
And you guys are my new best friends, right?
Yes, yeah, of course.
Yeah, see that? They came out, and you know what happens when people come out to meet me, right? They become my buddies. They can't get rid of me. Alright guys, my battery's dying. I love you so much. Thank you all for coming out. The late party, I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know your favorite part of this video. Why are you talking through my video? And engaged, not caged. And I think I'm going home with this bird. Look, all the nervous laughter over there. And that one, and those two, one of them, Romeo, I'm taking home. I love you guys. Bye!